Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to log into Delta Airlines website quickly and easily. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to Delta's official website. You can do this by typing www.delta.com into your address bar. Now look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a login button here. Go ahead and click on it. Now you are on the login page. Here you'll need to enter your SkyMiles number or username and your password. Also, if you haven't created an account yet, you can click on Join SkyMiles and set one up. Well, enter your SkyMiles number or username and enter your password. Enter your details and make sure you enter them correctly to avoid any login issues. Then click on Login button. If you are having trouble logging in, try resetting your password. You can reset your password by clicking on the Forget Password, and also you can reset your Forget Login. Follow the given instruction to reset them. Well, now once you are logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. See you next time and safe travels.